Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to create a set of simple line icons in Adobe Illustrator, a lamp, a magnify search icon, and a pencil. So be relaxed and let's start by creating a new document from file, new, for example, 800 and 600, artboard 1, unit pixels, and color mode RGB, and create. Okay, first we want to create a magnify or search icon, so need create some rectangles. First we create this rectangle, stroke 2, Control C, Control F, hold Alt in keyboard, scale from height, and scale again, hold Alt and scale from width. Okay, now we can scale more. Hop. Okay, draw circle, ellipse tool, and here hold Alt and Shift, draw one circle, Control C, Control F, hold Alt and Shift, and draw another is scale inside circle. Select this, arrange, send to back. Okay. Now we can scale, select this item or scale to move. I think is okay. We can scale a little. Okay, that's right. Now we want to color this magnify. Select, hold Shift, click, and to this. Okay, this color. Okay, 151, 51, and 152. Okay. Select this circle and capture color by drop. Okay. And inside color, insert circle, fill color by another 101, 204, and 203. Okay, the color now I think is good. In this step, we need to draw some arcs around magnified glass. We can do that by pen tool or arc tool. Okay, select arc tool. Some comment about arc tool is draw arc. Okay, we want to flip, so click, hold F keyboard to flip, draw arc, and C in keyboard to close or unclose arc. Okay, delete, and again here draw a arc F. Okay, draw arc the okay. Oh no, we don't need close. Okay, it's an arc. Change color. Okay, if you think that the size of arc is not good, you can cut it simple way is add point and but direct selection, select, remove the space. Okay, you can have smaller. Okay, and you can copy from here because we draw arc related to center of circles. Okay, we can Control C, F, and select R rotate tool or R in keyboard. Hold Alt and click center. Okay, you can move it here. Copy. Very good. And you now have two arcs related to center of circles. We want another arc. Control C, or no, we don't need to Control C. Just select R to rotate tool, hold Alt, click center, change, rotate, copy. We need to cut and yeah, select direct selection, this, and we can add more. R, Alt, yeah, change angle, I think here, okay, copy, and I think it's okay. Okay, select this, R, hold Alt, click center, copy. Okay, that's right. Now draw another arc. Look here, and we can R, Alt, center, yeah, copy, change size, this, A, select, okay, very good. And another, I think, need select R, Alt, center, okay, good, copy, size, okay, direct selection or A in keyboard, okay, and we can now over here I think okay. Okay. We need some arcs inside, okay? Another. Not good. here. Change color to white. Select R, Alt, click, copy. Very good. And now select all object, zoom out, rotate. And we need a question symbol. Okay, type tool, select, okay. Select, change size. Select circle, select type tool and circle. Align to key object, select key object and okay. Now type tool, and from type create outline, change color to white. Okay, select whole object and Ctrl G. Now this icon is ready. We can go to group and select all stroke, hold shift, okay, and stroke cap to round. It's better. Very good. Okay, and we can rename layer to search icon.